2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.